Get ready for some big changes to our weather pattern across the high desert. Hey everyone, Darrell here from the Central Oregon Daily Weather Center with a quick look at your most reliable forecast. And we're going to kick things off with temperatures where we're sitting this evening. We've got 60s and we have had a couple of 70s across the high desert. Also more clouds, winds that are mostly at a light breeze. Now our weather headlines for this Thursday, October the 23rd include an atmospheric river setup. That means back-to-back systems are going to be impacting us. As we wrap up the work, we can go through the weekend. We're talking rain, much stronger winds, mountain snow, and a big cool down with highs falling into the 40s. But here's what it looks like across the high desert. There is quite a bit more cloud cover, and that's all part of our next system, which is currently just offshore. And our forecast model actually shows tonight we get some clearing. By tomorrow, more clouds roll in, and at 8 a.m., our next system is starting to make landfall. Then it rolls up the west slopes of the Cascades. By the afternoon and evening, we're looking at widespread showers, then some clearing between systems, but we have more precipitation on the way as these systems continue to roll in. Here's how it plays out. Friday, we're talking 60s for most of the high desert, more clouds, still partially under that ridge of high pressure. Then the front rolls through. Then we start to get wet with stronger winds. By Saturday's system, highs in the 50s and 40s. By Sunday, that's when we're looking at 40s, and mountain snow is expected Saturday and Sunday. We are talking a few light totals in some of our lower elevations. We're talking a trace to maybe 3 inches, and that'll be up to 4,200 feet. Now, for tonight, we're talking 40s and some 30s. By Friday, 60s, few 50s and 70s still possible before the rain starts. Then it gets wet, it gets gusty, it gets chilly, and by Monday, we could be looking at some of those light totals across parts of the high desert. Second half of next week, we get our next warming trend. That's the latest in weather. Join us tonight on Central Oregon Daily News.